Mi nombre es Maribel Briceño, vengo de Venezuela porque mi esposo es esloveno. Yo nací allá y estudié allá. Estudié en la Escuela de Artes Plásticas Arturo Michelena por 4 años y bueno, estoy desarrollando mi carrera artística aquí en Ljubljana. Hace un tiempo atrás leí que la cerámica ayuda a conservar los aromas de los perfumes y por eso empecé a hacer experimentos con ella utilizando collares que regalaba a mis amigas para que probaran y gustó mucho, les gustó. Entonces traje esa idea a Eslovenia con el fin de darle continuidad y bueno, afortunadamente me encontré con Latinsko Družbo. Ellos se encantaron con mi idea y por eso la propusimos a Centerrog y gracias a Centerrog y a Apis Institute he podido llegar a Rok, quien me ayudó a hacer los proyectos de este trabajo.
Hello, my name is Rok. I'm a product designer. I work with different materials, but mainly with ceramics. And with Rok, we collaborated on a project with Maribel, where we developed a ceramic, or better porcelain pendant that Maribel wanted to produce as her idea coming from Venezuela to Slovenia and present herself with something beautiful. Maribel brought us a prototype, the first prototype, a sketch that is made by hand, and she wanted us to replicate this in a more beautiful, perfect geometric form. So we made a 3D model by a computer 3D program with an assistant from Centerrog. So we made a very perfect geometrical model, and then we casted a mold from that model. And this first you pour the porcelain in the mold, you put it out, stick together the top and bottom part. Then after the model is dried, we have to fire it in the kiln, and then it's poured, or it's dipped in the glaze. And we developed a special device. Maribel brought us the first idea how to build it, and then we built this glazing box, and we hang the pendulums inside and put it like this in the kiln. Maribel had this idea to make it in different colors because Venezuela is a vibrant, colorful country. Mm-hmm. And this message she wanted to transmit to Slovenia, and she decided to make it in 3 basic colors: the yellow, blue and red. So we used 3 different glazes to show off this colorful combination, and then anybody can choose what color she or he likes.
Llevar el perfume cerca es importante porque puedes percibirlo en su natural forma. Blizu Sebe es el nombre que elegimos para poder identificar a las personas con su perfume, con el que les gusta. Y también puede ser utilizado para aromaterapia, solo colocando unas pocas gotas dentro de los agujeros.
So the final stage of the product development is its packaging and how to prepare the product for the market. So we developed a special case out of the 3D print. We 3D printed the box, and we have a wrap made of paper, which is also containing all the information and all the instructions how to use the pendulum, and it comes in the color which is the same as the pendulum itself. And we named the pendulum Blizu Sebe, Porta Parfum, which means that this is an object that you can carry with you as a perfume holder, and you can like smell it wherever you want and feel like better about yourself and your fragrance.
Como he aprendido a elaborar piezas de cerámica con una calidad suprema gracias a Rock, ahora la imaginación no me vuela mucho y trataré de hacer otras ideas que bueno, se irán conociendo a medida que pase el tiempo. La cerámica permite dar rienda suelta a la imaginación, casi que es infinito, y quiero llevar este proyecto a muchas galerías para que lo den a conocer al público y bueno, crear nuevos proyectos con la misma calidad, porque ya he aprendido a hacerlo gracias a Rock y a todos los que me ayudaron a llevarlo a cabo. Y bueno, tal vez ganar un poco de dinero con esto no sería malo. Y bueno, que muchas personas lleven perfume en sí, sobre ellos, el perfume cerca de ellos. Blisu Sebe.
It was very interesting to collaborate with Maribel on this project, as we had like many difficulties with the language. But I think the key idea of projects or collaborations like this is that you communicate with your hands and how you build things, and through this kind of tactile communication, you learn a lot about how something is made, even without the spoken language, which I think is very nice experience.